What's going on, money lovers? Welcome back. So today I wanted to start a new series where I really want to take a deep dive under the hood of Tesla and show you guys some stuff that's less talked about. Starting today with their software subscription for the full self-driving package, and I'm going to show you what my projections are. We're going to get to that in a minute. Just want to go through this article on electric real quick. We all know that Tesla already has the best cars. I mean, you know it, I know it, everybody knows it. But I want to focus on some other aspects of the Tesla business that are a little less talked about. So if this series is a hit, or if you guys want to see more, let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely continue it. So for today's purposes, I just want to talk about their recent updates with their full self-driving software and how this could be a huge boost to their revenue and might be their most lucrative segment of the business. So a Morgan Stanley analyst recently said Tesla could end up making more money from selling software subscriptions than selling hardware like its actual vehicle. As you probably have already heard, Tesla recently announced its full self-driving monthly subscription is going to go for $199 per month, and Tesla currently has a fleet of 1.5 million vehicles, and Morgan Stanley is projecting it will have 35 to 40 million vehicles by the end of the decade. So for today's purposes, my little spreadsheet here, I'm going to be very, very conservative, but just think about that. They think they could potentially have 35 to 40 million vehicles on the road by the end of the decade. Now, obviously, when it comes to full self-driving, this is something Tesla still has to deliver on. They're not quite at the end of the tunnel yet. It still has to, prove itself and get past regulations. But assuming that all that goes well, here is what the potential numbers look like for Tesla's full self-driving monthly revenue. Are you ready to have your mind blown? All right, so I just drafted this up here. I highlighted the columns that are most important. So I just threw in projections for the next 5 years, subscription $200 a month, just because I like nice round numbers. I know it's $199. So that comes out to an annual income from the full self-driving subscription package of $2,400 a year. Now, Tesla currently has, as the article said, over 1.5 million vehicles on the road. So just to be conservative, I'm just going to go with 1 million. Maybe 500,000 people don't feel comfortable with full self-driving. But I think full self-driving is the future. I mean, it just makes the most sense. It's safer than human drivers. You could watch movies while you're stuck in traffic. You could read a book. The possibilities are endless. You could sleep, take a nice... Anyway, before I get too far off on a tangent. So then this monthly revenue comes out to 1 million cars times $2,400, $200 million a month, or $2.4 billion a year. Now, again, I know it's very likely this won't be achieved by the end of 2021, but I think within the next couple of years, you will see mass adoption of full self-driving. So let's just run some numbers. For 2022, let's just say Tesla sells 1.5 million cars, right? This is well below. They could probably easily sell double that. That would mean their annual revenue from full self-driving, if everyone purchased it, will be $3.6 billion, right? Let's go to the next year. So let's say by 2023, Gigafactory Berlin will definitely be at full production. Same with Giga Texas. Let's say they sell 3 million vehicles. And again, folks, this is like the ultimate bear case of vehicles sold here. I could easily see these numbers being double or triple, if not more. So then we're talking about $600 million of revenue per month, or $7.2 billion per year. Billions. Just imagine, and you think the competition is going to catch up? All right, so let's say the next year they're up to 5 million cars, right? And maybe they sell a lot more cars, but maybe only 5 million actually go for this full self-driving subscription. That's $12 billion in annual revenue. And then super conservative, by this point, Tesla will probably have taken over the world. But they sell 6 million cars and they get the full self-driving package. We're talking about over $14 billion in annual revenue. That's 2025. So yes, while a lot remains to be seen, the full self-driving look, you can watch the beta videos. It is fantastic. It is going to be safer than a human driver. And again, I think that these are very conservative estimates here. And this is just one small segment of the overall Tesla business. So I want to keep this one short. I just want to show you guys the major potential here. And if you enjoy this, let me know in the comments below. I'll make more videos talking about Tesla under the hood. We'll look at their Powerwall subscriptions, Tesla as an energy company, and all of the other great possibilities with this company. But just to give you an idea of what I think the future of Tesla could look like, $14 billion in just full self-driving subscription alone. Let me know what you think in the comments below. The competition does not stand a chance. If you enjoyed the video today, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Vinny from the Investment Club, and I'll see you next time.